Hello everyone, welcome to Trap Shots with Nishan Krishna. I hope you are watching all my other videos in my channel. In case you like that, please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to be notified on the next video. I have lot more interesting videos coming up. India is a country that has a very varied topography, which means that the country is full of holiday destinations that cater to all kinds of travelers. Same is the case with the hill stations in India. India has a lot of destinations to offer in almost all parts of the country. Some of the famous hill stations in India were set up by the British who wanted to get a respite from the hot and humid temperatures of the low-lying cities. In this video, I am going to bring 10 such hill stations that are quite popular in India and you must not miss out to explore them all. So let's get into the video. Sikkim's capital Gangtok sits along a cloudy mountain ridge about 5,500 feet above sea level. Sikkim only became part of India in 1975. Before that, it was a small independent Buddhist kingdom with its own monarchy after the end of the British rule. Gangtok is a popular base for travel throughout the state, particularly with trekkers. It's a well-organized and clean city with strict littering, traffic and tobacco laws. Attractions include monasteries, viewpoints, a cable car and a zoo that houses rare animals rescued from traders and poachers. The hill station of Nainital in the Kumaon region of Uttarakhand was a popular summer retreat for the British during the time they ruled India. It features the serene emerald-colored Naini Lake and an action-filled strip called the Mall, lined with restaurants, shops, hotels and markets. Enjoy one of the many forest walks, explore the surrounding area on horseback or relax on a boat in the lake. Kodaikanal is nestled 120 kilometers from Madurai in the Palani hills of Tamil Nadu. Its name means gift of the forest and you will find many varieties of flora and fauna there. Orchards of pear trees and charming buildings with gabled roofs will greet you as you enter the town. There is an annual horticulture show at the Landscape Botanical Bryant Park in May, waterfalls where you can enjoy a picnic beside, boating on the lake and plenty of walking trails. Herbs and aromatherapy oils are some of the most interesting things to buy in Kodaikanal, with the eucalyptus oils being particularly popular. Darjeeling is also famous for its lush tree gardens. In addition, it is blessed with a stunning view of Mount Kanchenjunga, the world's third highest peak. Some of Darjeeling's most popular attractions include historic toy train, monasteries, botanical garden, a zoo, and the Darjeeling Rangeet Valley passenger ropeway. Darjeeling is a great place to walk around and explore the tea estates, villages, and markets. Don't visit during the monsoon season, though the region is one of the wettest places in India. Mussoorie, located around an hour from Dehradun in Uttarakhand, is a popular weekend destination for North Indians as well as honeymooners. One of the reasons for Mussoorie's popularity is that it has a lot of facilities developed especially for tourists. Take a cable car to Gun Hill, enjoy a beautiful nature walk along Camel's Back Road, have a picnic at Kempty Falls or ride a horse up to La Tibba. Mussoorie also offers a superb view of the Himalayas. If you like tea, a visit to Munnar in Kerala is a must. The surrounding region is renowned for its extensive tea plantations. The Kundala tea plantations, which border a picturesque lake, offers the best opportunity to see the tea being picked and processed and to try fresh tea straight from the gardens. The area is blessed with a natural beauty of winding lanes, misty hills, and forests full of exotic plants and wildlife. Adventure enthusiasts can trek to Anaimudi, the highest peak in South India, explore Eravikulam National Park, or go rock climbing. Shimla used to be the summer capital of the British Raj when they ruled India. Now it's the state capital of Himachal Pradesh. This town sprawls along a mountain ridge and is famous for its historical buildings and railway. These can be seen on a walking tour of Shimla. There are plenty of adventure sports and short hikes on offer in the vicinity as well. To get there, travel on a toy train to Shimla. Established in the early 19th century by the British as the summer headquarters of the Chennai government, Ooty is now a very popular place to escape the summer heat in Tamil Nadu. If you travel there during the peak season from March to May, do be prepared for it to be crowded. Ooty's top attractions include the 55-hectare Government Botanical Garden, boating on Ooty Lake, and climbing Doddapeta Peak for an excellent view of the Nilgiri Hills. To get to Ooty, take the scenic toy train from Mettupalayam. Manali, with its soothing backdrop of the Himalayas, offer a blend of tranquility and adventure that makes it one of North India's most popular destinations. Although it's a popular place to go off on treks, you can do as little as much as you want there. Located in the Kulu Valley of Himachal Pradesh, it is bordered by cool pine forests and raging Beas River, which gives it a special energy. Srinagar, the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir, delights visitors with its lovely lakes and relaxing houseboats. In fact, lakes and gardens are in such abundance there that Srinagar is often referred to as the land of lakes and gardens. The gardens have a distinctly Mughal influence, as many of them were cultivated by Mughal emperors. You will find Asia's largest tulip garden in Srinagar, with a tulip festival held every April. Srinagar is a great place to visit if you are a golf enthusiast, as there are a number of courses there. Don't miss the many must-see Srinagar attractions. So that concludes this edition of Trav Shots. If you like this video, please do like and also share this video with your friends and relatives. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and also hit the bell icon to be notified on the next video. Till the next one, signing off, Nishant.